Guys, in today's video, we'll be showing you how to share or how to find the share section on any video or post on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. Just go click on it, and here, as you see, for example, you are on the explore page. Choose any one like this one, and as you see here, you will find this share icon. Click on it, and as you see here, you can share it to friends. So that's it. Here you can search your friends, as you see, and also here you will find dislike, new group, reports, or anything you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.